June 26th and June 27th, ARRL Field Day up in Ferncliff Park in Rhinebeck, New York. Get to meet Bawana Dave here, a ham potato gun expert. Watch this. No trees were harmed in the filming of this video. He was launching an antenna wire up into the tree canopy. Take some good pumping to get your air gun up to speed. This is a whole portable unit. These units have been used when all communications have been down, like Hurricane Katrina, 9/11, and more. That's docked there. Oh, and now a little break. This is the latest in nature surveillance. They may look like normal canines. I wish I could tell you more, but your security clearance isn't high enough. But it is a refreshing break. Now let's just make believe this is a normal scenario, and they aren't government agents. And here's all the tools you need to be a good ham, coax cable and connectors. Preparedness in ham radio is essential for getting those messages from your backyard to across the world. And there's Bawana Dave again. He's the president of the club. Make sure you have your tick spray if you go into the woods this time of the year. That coax cable can get heavy. And don't try this at home, please. Come to Field Day. Learn how to do it right. It's free. Hams are a great bunch, and they love to teach. You know, I bet you he took a lot of knitting lessons in adult ed. A lot of high-tech gear, and a lot of the high-tech gear you enjoy today was partly created by ham radio enthusiasts. We test everything. Everything comes down to a mathematical formula, and this is a vertical antenna, or horizontal antenna. But where have you seen this before? Keep watching. Hoisting it up into the tree canopy in upstate New York, the Catskill Mountains.
But since he retired, I've been going to Redwood Water. What do you reckon?
Okay, there's your answer. And there's Bawana Dave again, with a big air gun, launching those potatoes into the tree. Oop, you got another one. High into the tree canopy.
Is that a champagne cork?
Well, join us June 26th, 27th, Field Day, up in Rhinebeck, New York. You'll have a blast.